Good day, garden friends. I hope you're all doing great. I am so happy to make this video today. I have a great announcement. I'll make this really brief. So for the past 12, 13 years, I've been a horticulture teacher. Before that, I worked in nurseries, selling plants, working with plants, gardening, landscaping. I've started not knowing anything, and now I know a little bit more, but still not that much, and I'm hoping to learn a whole lot more. And I am so excited because I'm now able to share this passion of plants and gardening and where that meets with people and community. And I'm now going to share that passion with a whole new audience and a whole new group of people, hopefully, because I'm here to announce that I am now officially the garden podcast host of Green Acres. There's the Green Acres Garden Podcast, and that is here in our region. I live here in Northern California, in the Sacramento region, but I believe it's available online tonight at midnight. My very first episode. It's a mini episode where I just introduce myself a little bit and what the show will be about. I hope you will all take a peek at it and actually just listen. It's a nice little podcast. We'll be talking all about gardening, how to solve challenges and different aspects of gardening and plants, everything from house plants, succulents, to edibles and ornamentals, drought tolerance, organics, conventionals. We're going to talk about it all, and we're going to hopefully learn a bunch. And a great part of it, I'll be hopefully get to meet a whole new group of people, both from my interviews and going out to the different stores, but also hopefully by the listeners who are actually downloading and listening and enjoying the program. So long story short, I've been wanting to have a whole show, have my own show my entire life. I've always dreamed about it. I know we all have our own dreams, and it maybe seems like a silly dream, and I have many, but this is one of them. And so check, and even maybe one episode down, who knows how long this crazy adventure will last. I hope it lasts is forever and a day, but we'll see. But I absolutely just wanted to share that with you. I finally got the go-ahead that tonight at midnight, the first episode goes live. I think Spotify and Google Podcast, Apple Podcast, and all that. There's many different ways to download it. I'll actually put the link in the description below. But I would just be absolutely honored to have anybody here that's listening to this video to be on there to enjoy it. And I hope you do, and know that I'll do all that I can to make it a program that's worth your listenership. But until then, I got to get back to the garden. All right, take care now. Bye-bye then.